Let's talk about branding dropshipping business. Do you want to set your dropshipping store apart from other similar stores? Do you want to improve your store's customer loyalty? Branding your dropshipping business is a great way to achieve this goal. In this video, we'll show you how you can do just that step by step to create a branded dropshipping business that stands out from the crowd, not only to boost your sales, but also builds a loyal customer base. Hey everyone, this is Jean from DSers. Welcome back to the channel for another video to improve your dropshipping business. Today, we're going to see how switching to a branded store can be a great idea once your business is going. We're going to go at it point by point, so stay till the end. Make sure to subscribe for upcoming content, and let's get into it. If you decide to go on the branded dropshipping store wagon, the first major step is selecting the type of store you want to create. There are basically three types of dropshipping stores that you can create. You can decide to do a general store. This offers a wide variety of product across different categories. It's like a mini online department store. The biggest advantage of this type of store is the ability to attract a diverse range of customers. On the other hand, it's harder to create a strong, cohesive brand identity, and your marketing can become scattered and ineffective. You can also potentially build a niche store. Niche stores typically focus on a specific category of product. For example, you might specialize in fitness gear, pet supplies, or eco-friendly products only. The big pro of niche store is that it allows you to target a specific audience, which can make your marketing efforts simpler and more effective. But the downside is that it may limit your potential customer base if the niche you choose only has limited interest. Therefore, it's crucial to choose a niche with enough demand and growth potential. The last type of store is one product store. As the name suggests, this type of store focuses on selling just one product. The nice thing about those is that they can be incredibly powerful for branding and marketing, as all your efforts are focused on one thing. And this kind of store will be easier to manage and potentially more profitable if the product is a hit. But the risk is, of course, putting all your eggs in the same basket. You'll be stuck if the product doesn't sell well or lose popularity. You'll need a lot of work to find a winning product. So, the first step for you should be to choose the right type of store. Most branded dropshipping stores are niche stores or single product stores because, as we mentioned, the marketing might be easier. It may be relatively difficult to start your branded dropshipping business as a general store, but it's also possible in case you really want to. For choosing your type of store, start by considering your interest and your expertise. If you prefer flexibility and want to test various products, a general store could be the way to go. If you're passionate about a particular niche, a niche store might be the best fit. Do some market research to assess demand and competition in that niche. Or if you've identified a unique, high potential product, a one product store might be your best bet. This is an important step, so take your time, especially if you decide to do one product or a niche store. Alright, once you decided what type of store you want to open, you have to find your products and suppliers. First, you need to get good product ideas. To identify trending products and niche markets, keep an eye on social media trends. Use tools like Google Trends, and check out online marketplace to see what's popular. Here are some suggestions for you to get product ideas. Think about the trendy, newer stuff you recently came across online or in an offline retail store. Find popular products on social media platforms such as Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, and so on. Those are the places where your potential customers are. By being active on those platforms, you will discover what your customers are concerned about and which product they prefer. Then, you may know how your store should act and which products you are going to sell. Check AliExpress. Choose a product category that you're considering. On the product display page, sort by orders and filter by 4 stars and up for better results. This helps you see popular, well-reviewed products and understand the market's trend. Second, you have to select suppliers. Finding suppliers is easy and difficult at the same time. You can choose some popular supplier platforms, like AliExpress, which connect you with suppliers who offer a wide range of products suitable for dropshipping. Once you've decided on your supplier platform, it is crucial to choose reliable suppliers that offer good quality products and have reasonable shipping times. That's when things can be a little bit difficult and you have to take your time. Check the supplier's review and ratings carefully. Look at the feedback from other dropshippers to get a sense of their experience with that supplier. It's also a good idea to do some test order to see the products for yourselves. Alright, now we know the type of store you want to create. We have our products and suppliers selected. So it's time to focus on the branding. It starts with the business name. Choosing a business name is one of the most important steps in building your branded dropshipping business. A unique and memorable name can set you apart from competitors and create a strong first impression. But how to create a strong business name? You can decide to create it by yourself. Think about words related to your niche, target audience, and the emotions that you want to evoke. Make a list of potential names and try combining them in different ways. There are some naming methods that might give you some ideas. Or you can use some tools to help you. Try to ask ChatGPT to suggest names for a pet supplies dropshipping store. You can get some name ideas here. Shopify also has a business name generator that is free, and some other tools like Namelicks are also available. If you have some ideas for your name, it's also important to do research. Make sure that the name you have selected are not already in use by checking domain availability and social media handles. Websites like Namecheap or GoDaddy can help you see if the domain is available first. You should also search on social media platforms for your desired name to see if there is a similar one already being used. A good business name should be memorable, easy to pronounce, and reflect the values of your business. Your business name isn't just a label, it plays a crucial role in branding and marketing. A strong name can make your business more memorable and easier to find online, ultimately driving more traffic and sales. My personal advice when it comes to your brand name is to ask for feedback. Once you have a couple of names down, try to ask your family and friends what they think about it. Getting feedback is extremely important for your brand name. What does the name you selected mean to them? How do they feel about it? Would they remember it? After the brand name, it's time to focus on the logo. Your logo is the visual cornerstone of your brand identity. It's often the first thing people see, and it needs to leave a lasting impression. When designing your logo, keep it simple. It needs to be relevant to your niche and scalable. A good logo is easily recognizable and works well in various sizes, whether it's on your website, social media, or your packaging. You can decide to design your logo in different ways. You can use some popular tools like Canva and Lookup to help you first. They make logo design accessible to everyone, even if you don't have any graphic design experience. Canva is quite user-friendly. It's a graphic design platform with a wide range of templates and customization options. You can easily change the colors, the fonts, and icons to match your brand's identity. Lookup, on the other hand, uses AI to generate logo designs based on your preferences. You can customize the design further to make sure they fit your brand perfectly. Or if you don't want to do it yourself, you can also find freelance design. Sometimes you might want something more unique and tailored specifically to your brand. Therefore, you can find and hire a talented freelance designer on platforms like Fiverr and Upwork to create a custom logo for you. Fiverr, for example, is a great platform where you can find freelancers offering various services, including logo design. You can easily find designers that fit your budget and style preferences. But remember, your logo should resonate with your target audience and reflect your brand's personality. Take the time to get it right, and you lay a strong foundation to your brand's identity. Just like for the brand name, don't hesitate to ask for feedback once you have some design ideas. After all that, it's time to talk about the brand look and feel. Here, we have to focus on a more nuanced notion. The looks and general feeling of your store is a crucial aspect of your business that includes your color scheme, the fonts, and the imagery. These elements create your brand's identity and help you stand out from the competition. A well-chosen color scheme can evoke the right emotion and build a connection with your audience. For instance, blue often conveys trust and professionalism, while red can signify excitement, energy, and urgency. Choosing a color palette that reflects your brand's personality and values is important. Tools like Adobe Color and Coolors are fantastic for finding and creating color palettes. They allow you to experiment with different combinations and see how they work together. The font you select serves a similar purpose. Your choice of typography should align with your brand's tone. A sleek, modern font might be perfect for a tech brand, while a more playful and written font could work well for a children's store. Just make sure to keep it readable and consistent across all your materials. And finally, the imagery is another crucial aspect. This includes the photo you use, the style of your graphic, and any other visual element. Consistent, high-quality imagery helps build a recognizable and professional brand. Generally speaking, your brand should have a cohesive look across all customer touchpoints, your website, social media, and even your packaging. There is a reason for that. Consistency builds trust. When customers see the same colors, fonts, and imagery on your website, social media, and packaging, it reinforces your brand identity and makes your business look more professional. A website with tons of colors, font sizes, and different picture styles will look amateur. Whereas if you make sure that all your pages follow the same rules, you will increase the confidence in your store. Once you have a clear idea of the look and feel of your store, it's time to build it. Shopify, WooCommerce, Wix, and BigCommerce are some of the most popular options. Shopify is a great platform for beginners to build their dropshipping store. First, you should customize your store design to match your brand style. This includes adjusting the colors, the fonts and imagery according to the look and feel you decided upon. Next, you need to add your products. Make sure that each product listing is optimized with high-quality images, detailed description, and competitive pricing. This will enhance the shopping experience and increase conversion. You need to constantly think about the user experience and make sure that the whole ordering process is as smooth as possible. We've added a link in the video description below in case you're interested in how to create a Shopify dropshipping store. Have a look. Let's get on to the next and last step: promoting your branded store. Without marketing and promotion, no one will visit your store. But it's important to remember that the way you market your store should be related to your brand and what it stands for. So, how can you promote your dropshipping store? Well, there are various methods that you can use. 1. Paid advertising. If you have a good budget, running paid advertising like Facebook ads and Google ads is a great way to get your name out there. 2. Free marketing channels. For newcomers, free marketing channels like SEO and content marketing can be equally powerful in getting people's attention to their brand. 3. Influencer marketing. Another effective strategy is influencer marketing, where you collaborate with social media influencers and content creators to promote your products to their followers. Of course, you can also explore other effective ways. No matter which way you choose, you need to consider whether it is suitable for your products or not, but also ensures that your marketing efforts are in line with your branded store general look and feel. The message in your advertisement should be similar to the one you're trying to give in your store. Try to create a comprehensive promotional strategy to boost your dropshipping store's visibility and profitability. That's going to be it today for a branded dropshipping store. As you saw, switching to a branded store is not that hard, generally speaking, but it's all about the details. You need to make sure that everything about your store, from the name to the logo, but also the color scheme, the font, the product listing, and also your marketing strategy are all conveying the same message and general feeling. That's what branding is about. We hope you found this video helpful, and if so, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. We'll be back with another video in just a few days with our ultimate dropshipping checklist. So until then, happy dropshipping.